Hello and welcome to another edition of Positive News Stories. The October edition features three stories: a heroic act by an athlete, a French bulldog dressing up for Halloween, and the first ever green shopping aisle. So, here are the top three positive stories of the first half of October 2020. Before we begin, please show us some love by liking our video, subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell icon to receive notifications for upcoming positive listicle videos. Number 3. A French bulldog is dressing up in Halloween costumes every day in October. Meet the adorable French dog Toad, who is dressing up as a different famous character every day in October for a Halloween series. Toad has already appeared as Sebastian from The Little Mermaid, Elton John, MC Hammer and Napoleon Dynamite. Toad has been part of 30-year-old owner Amy Harrington's family since February, right before lockdown happened. Amy got into making a fun little page when she got the idea of dressing Toad into various fun characters. Despite already having taken dozens of photos of Toad, Amy says she is yet to run out of great costume ideas. As a result of Amy's costuming and Toad's modeling expertise, Toad's fledgling Instagram page has already garnered over 13,000 followers. You can check out the fun page on Instagram @goodboy.toad. Number 2. First ever green shopping aisle caters to environmental enthusiasts who want home DIY projects. Environmentally minded DIY enthusiasts can now enjoy the first ever green shopping aisle, complete with a real grass walkway and a canopy infused with foliage and butterflies. The green aisle is quite literally festooned with evergreen climbers and vegetation to help eco-conscious shoppers find the section of the hardware store that will make their home more sustainable. The green aisle was launched on 6th October at one of Britain's major hardware chains, Homebase, at 5 of their stores with more stores to follow. In partnership with Smart Energy GB, the aisle showcases eco-friendly and energy-efficient home improvement products, as well as information on how to get a smart meter installed, all in one place. The green aisle was created after research found 74% of Brits are keen to make their home greener, but half have no idea where to start. The green aisle helps make this process even more easier for people by identifying which products are more environmentally friendly and likewise understand the positive impact that they can have. So whether you're looking for a water-saving shower faucet, eco-friendly paint, or a smart meter, if you're in Britain, you now know the green aisle to go to. Number 1. Greek athlete carries disabled woman up Mount Olympus, fulfilling her lifelong dream. In a singularly uplifting modern-day version of Atlas come to life, one courageous athlete recently climbed Mount Olympus, home to the ancient gods, carrying a disabled comrade to the summit with him to fulfill her lifelong dream. Long-distance runner Mariusz Giannakou has a long track record of taking on challenges. He trekked 168 miles across the Al Marmoum Desert, and he also took first place in a frigid 93-mile cross-country race in Antarctica. Prior to his latest endeavor, he had already successfully taken in the view from atop Mount Olympus's highest peak 50 times. When Giaconou met and befriended 22-year-old biology student Eleftheria Tossiou and learnt of her dream to experience the summit herself, it seemed only natural that he was more than ready to rise to the occasion. For him, all international races, the medals and the distinctions so far meant little compared to that goal. With Tossiou securely harnessed in a specially modified backpack, Giaconou, along with an 8-member support team, started the grueling ascent of Olympus's tallest peak, Mount Mystikas. After more than 10 hours of climbing, the triumphant pair reached the 2,918-meter summit. There is nothing more real than the dream, an ecstatic Giaconou posted to his Instagram. It's heartening to know that while we generally think of heroes as the stuff of myth and legend, there are actually some shining examples like Mariusz Giaconou who exist in real life as well. Multiply the positivity by sharing these sweet stories with your friends on social media. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications for upcoming positive listicle videos.